The Alumni Committee of Shillong Law College successfully hosted a lecture on the applicability of the Code of Civil Procedure (CPC) in civil proceedings, aimed at enriching the knowledge of students and faculty members on the procedural aspects of civil litigation in Meghalaya. The lecture was delivered by Advocate Sibashish Sen, who provided a comprehensive analysis of the CPC and its practical application in everyday legal practice. Drawing on his extensive experience, he elaborated on the nuances of civil procedure and its relevance to the legal landscape of Meghalaya, offering participants valuable insights through practical examples. The program also included a felicitation ceremony during which the principal of Shillong Law College expressed appreciation and presented a token of gratitude to Advocate Sen. Dr. Daya Hunlin Maulong, the IQAC coordinator, further recognized his contribution by presenting a certificate of appreciation. The event concluded with a vote of thanks by Celestine Xu, who acknowledged the efforts of the resource person, faculty, students, and the organizing committee in ensuring the success of the program. The lecture was widely appreciated as an intellectually stimulating session that significantly enhanced participants' understanding of civil procedural law.
Rights, and when you go into court, what is the working system of the courts? When you go to court with your claim and decide which court should you go to? Should you go to the assistant district judge, or the court of the municipal, or the district judge? Right? You have to try to understand this from the point of view of jurisdiction, on the facts of your case. Let's assume we're talking about different situations where I said, sir, I have manipulated the service. He is running a claim. He has a right to always come back